Guys, welcome back. My name is Rumi and today I'm going to be sharing with you my week 4 of capillary schedule. So in this video I'll be showing you what hair mask and hair treatments I'm doing during this entire week of capillary schedule. But before that, if you guys don't know what is a capillary schedule, it is a schedule made specifically for your hair type, and it tells you what hair treatments and hair mask you need to do to improve the quality of your hair and also to grow beautiful long hair. So if you guys are interested, I have already made a video on the entire process where I have explained it quite in depth, and it also shows you how you can create your own capillary schedule. So if you guys are interested, I will link that video in the description box below for you guys. Don't forget to check it out. And also I will link all my week 1 to week 3 of capillary schedule, wherein I have shown you how I am doing my capillary schedule week by week, what hair mask I'm doing, what hair treatments I'm doing, and the effects of the mask and treatments on my hair. So if you guys have not yet watched those videos, I will also link them in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. So yeah, enough of my talking. Let's just jump straight into this video. So today is day 1 of my week 4 of capillary schedule, and today I have to do hydration treatment. So first of all, as usual, I'll go ahead and comb my hair. And once I'm done, I will go ahead and apply my organic amalaki oil serum for my scalp treatment. After this, I'll go ahead and give a quick massage using my fingers. And then I will go ahead and using my electric massager, I will give my scalp a massage for the next 5 to 10 minutes. And then I will let this oil sit on my hair for the next 2 to 3 hours. And then I'll go ahead and apply my hydration mask. So it's been 3 hours and all the oil from my scalp treatment has already been absorbed into my scalp and into all my hair cuticles. And now I'll go ahead and using a white tooth comb, I'll just comb my hair so as to remove all the tangles that might be present before applying the hydration mask. There. And this is the hydrating mask which I'm going to be using today, and it is from She Moisture, and it is their Manuka honey and Mafura oil intensive hydration hair mask. It has fig extract and baobab oil along with Manuka honey. Now, since I'm very busy today, I do not have time to prepare a DIY hair mask, and I also wanted to give you guys some store-bought options. So this is the one which I'm going to be using today. And this is how it looks. So you don't need a lot. You can just use little bit and start applying, starting from your scalp to the length of your hair and then also towards the end. There. After this, I'll go ahead and secure all my hair with the help of a hair clip. And now I'll go ahead and wait for next 40 to 45 minutes. After that, I'll go ahead and wash my hair with my regular shampoo and conditioner, and I'll show you guys the results tomorrow. So that is how my hair looks today after the hydration mask from yesterday. Again, very smooth, very shiny, very soft to touch, and I love how strong it feels. So today is the second day of my 4th week of capillary schedule, and as you guys can already see, my scalp looks really oily. So I decided to go ahead and apply my scalp treatment yesterday night only so as to maximize the benefits. So this is the scalp treatment which I applied on my hair yesterday night, and it is from Innate Life and it provides intense hydration and repair. I really love it because it has a lot of herbal and organic ingredients, and I love the feeling of this oil on my hair. I really like the cooling sensation it provides to my scalp and the immediate relief it gives to my scalp. So yeah, that's what I applied. And actually this is my second bottle. I have been using this treatment since last 2 months, and as you guys can already see, my first bottle is finished. I really love this, and so that's why I've been using it a lot in my scalp treatments, and I went ahead and got the second bottle as well. Now after I applied my scalp treatment, I just used my fingers to give a quick massage to my scalp, and after that I went ahead and using my electrical massager, I massaged my scalp for the next 5 to 10 minutes, and then I just secured my hair in a bun as I always do, and then I used my shower cap, and on top of it I used my hot head treatment, which you guys might have seen in all my weekly capillary schedules till now, and you know my routine. So yeah, that's what I used, so that all the oils from my scalp treatment get easily absorbed in my hair and my scalp, and I kept it overnight so as to maximize the benefits. Now today I'm supposed to do the nutrition mask, and for the nutrition mask I decided to do my ghee kalonji mask, which I have been doing a lot of times previously. If you guys have not yet watched that video, I will link the recipe of the ghee kalonji mask in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. And after that I will keep it for next 2 to 3 hours on my hair and let it just sit there and let my hair reap out all the benefits of that amazing nutrition mask. And then I'll go ahead and wash my hair with my regular shampoo and conditioner, and I'll come back and show you the results. So that is how my hair looks after my ghee kalonji hair mask. So today is the last day of my 4th week of capillary schedule, and today I am supposed to do the reconstruction mask as per my capillary schedule. So for my scalp treatment today, I'm going to use my Blue Beautifly organic amalaki hair oil serum. Really love it because it has a lot of herbal and organic ingredients. So I'll just go ahead and comb my hair. After that I'll go ahead and apply this oil on my scalp. So once I'm done, I'll go ahead and quickly give a massage to my scalp using my fingers, and then I'll go ahead and using my electric massager, I'll just massage my scalp for the next 5 to 10 minutes. After that I'll go ahead secure my head in a bun and then use my shower cap, and on top of it I will go ahead and use my hot head treatment again, so that all the essential oils from this scalp treatment get easily absorbed into each and every hair follicle of mine, and my hair gets properly nourished. And then I'll go ahead and keep the entire scalp treatment for the next 2 hours, and after that I will show you my repair or reconstructive mask. And so for my reparative mask today, I'm going to be using this herbal hair mask from Innate Life. So this has coconut oil, shea butter, almond oil, argan oil, jojoba, chia seed extract, marshmallow, avla fruit extract, bhringraj, brahmi, tulsi leaf powder, horsetail extract, glycerine, lavender oil, and orange peel oil. Don't worry if you guys don't live in US or Canada and you don't have an access to this hair mask. You can use any reparative or reconstruction mask which you have, and I will also be posting a lot of DIY mask, so I will keep in mind to post few of my DIY reconstruction masks, so keep on watching. And it looks like this. Now I will wait for maybe 1 hour, and then I'll go ahead and wash it with my regular shampoo and conditioner, and then I'll show you my results tomorrow. So this is how my hair looks after my reparative mask. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. So let me know in the comment section below, how is your experience with Capillary Schedule? If you are doing it, how is it going? I would love to hear that out from you guys. Now from now on, I will not be sharing my week by week of Capillary Schedule. However, I have plans to continue for one more month. This was actually my second month of Capillary Schedule, and I have plans to do it for one more month. If you guys want, you can do it just for 1 month, or you can do it for longer, whatever you guys prefer, whatever you have comfortability and availability with. Now from now on, what I will do, I will share my DIY hair oil recipes. So if you guys don't have access to the oils which I'm showing in my videos, I will definitely show you some DIY hair oils which are very good for your hair, which are beneficial for your hair. It improves the quality, it grows your hair. And I will also be sharing some more DIY hair masks, so keep on watching. And after this, I have a lot of awesome stuff already lined up on my channel. So if you guys don't want to miss on more such amazing content of mine, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with all your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye-bye, and have a beautiful day ahead. Bye.